This guide will help you enable frame stuttering in Red Dead Redemption 2, allowing you to experience the game in a unique way. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access Game Settings. Open Red Dead Redemption 2 and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Settings to access the game's configuration options. Step 2. Adjust Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Graphics tab. Here, you will find various options related to visual performance. Look for settings that can impact frame rates, such as VSync and frame rate limit. Step 3. Disable VSync. Find the VSync option and turn it off. Disabling VSync can lead to frame stuttering, as it allows the game to run at a higher frame rate than your monitor's refresh rate. Step 4. Lower frame rate limit. Next, locate the frame rate limit setting. Set this to a lower value than your monitor's refresh rate. This will create a discrepancy between the game's output and your display, resulting in stuttering. Step 5. Test and adjust. After making these changes, start a game session to see how the adjustments affect performance. If the stuttering is not to your liking, you can revisit the settings to fine-tune them further. By following these steps, you can enable frame stuttering in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your unique gaming experience.